In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to resend a Calendly invite. Perfect if you need to remind someone about an upcoming meeting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides. First, log into your Calendly account and head to your dashboard. Find the event you want to resend and click on it. You'll see the event details along with an option to copy the link. Hit copy and now your event link is ready. Next, open Microsoft Outlook and create a new email. Enter your recipient's email address. Then, paste the Calendly link right into the message body. Double check everything looks good, then click send. That's it. Your invite is resent in just a few clicks. This not only serves as a reminder, but also ensures your guest has the correct details to join. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials.